Mr. Chuck. Hey, boys and girls, do you like the zoo? Well, if you listen close enough, we can go there now. See how many of these animal sounds you know. Then you can sing along. Oh, giraffes are friendly and giraffes are cute, and giraffes also make this appalling little sound. Oh, sweet and kind giraffes, why do you make this horrible, horrible sound? Giraffes make that sound to wake up their moms, and so can you. Oh, monkeys are clever with opposable thumbs, but they're also known to make this repulsive little noise. Oh, monkeys and giraffes, why do you make these disturbingly miserable sounds? Oh, piggies are funny and piggies are nice and express themselves in this nightmarish way. Oh, piggies and monkeys and giraffes, why do you make these grotesque and nauseating noises? Can you make that piggy sound? I sure as hell hope so. Oh, penguins are quaint and penguins are attractive, but they vomit every day, and that sounds like this. Oh, penguins, piggies, monkeys, and giraffes, why do you have these creepy and disgusting little mannerisms? Oh, rhinos are impressive and rhinos are huge, and so's the frightening sound they make when they're chewing flesh. Oh, rhinos, penguins, piggies, monkeys, and giraffes, you bring new meaning to the word vulgar. Oh, pterodactyls are extinct, so we don't know how they sound, but it's probably as awful and unnerving as this. Oh, dactyls, penguins, piggies, monkeys, and giraffes, I never liked you all that much anyway. Oh, mooses are unique and mooses are austere, and when they're being attacked by whales, this regrettable sound occurs. Oh, mooses, whales, dactyls, penguins, piggies, monkeys, and giraffes, I'm gonna blow every one of you to fucking kingdom come. Here, let me just... Oh, sorry, Mr. Chuck.